This is our 2007 149, a beautiful and well-equipped sailboat in excellent condition. Her easily handled sail configuration is perfect for couples, and she's ready to fulfill your dreams in comfort and style with all the amenities of home. Solid construction, a high ballast ratio, and a stout B&R rig are the basic elements that make this yacht capable and safe for blue water cruising. Below deck, she offers a 3-cabin, 2-head layout, and some features include a generator, bow thruster, watermaker, and solar panels. The custom high-lift davits raise the rigid inflatable dinghy up and out of the way. Step across the gangway and through the transom and you enter the cockpit. Dual helm stations have outstanding visibility and many seating options, and she has a proven deck layout to maximize ease of handling under sail, especially for shorthanded crews. The large balanced rudder and shaft-driven steering system deliver pinpoint maneuverability even under full sail. Never has a boat so large been so easy to handle with confidence in any condition. The helm features Raymarine electronics, bow thruster, and recently upgraded cockpit stereo and speakers. Making your way to the foredeck is effortless and safe with plenty of grab rails and tall lifelines with netting along the bottom. The electric windlass makes anchoring a cinch. An in-mast roller furling quantum mainsail was installed and the standing rigging rebuilt in 2020. The interior has furniture-quality woodwork and a bright atmosphere that's beautiful and functional. With a 14 feet 5-inch beam and 6 feet 9 inches of salon headroom, the 149 is a big boat with impressive interior volume. This boat sleeps 8 and offers 3 staterooms and 2 heads and showers. The main salon has a large dinette to starboard and a settee to port. The large flat-screen TV and Bose speaker system makes a great entertainment centerpiece. Just aft of the port settee is the nav station. It's large enough to double as a small office and features a comfortable seat and electronics close at hand. Just opposite is the large L-shaped galley. From the considerable counter space to the quality appliances, this would be any chef's dream. Features include a microwave with coffee maker, Princess 3-burner LPG stove and oven, and an upgraded faucet. The galley also has 2 isotherm stainless steel fridges as well as 2 freezers. Aft are 2 staterooms that are large and comfortable enough for guests but can also be conveniently used for extra storage. Plus, the starboard cabin has an easily removable custom desk. The guest head and shower are to port. All the way forward is the spacious private master stateroom, which features a large V-berth. The stateroom also has warm woodwork, hanging lockers, and a flat screen TV. The master head is located aft of the master cabin with a roomy, separate shower just opposite. She is powered by a 100 horsepower Yanmar diesel that can be easily accessed from under the companionway steps. This 149 is a well-equipped yacht that's perfect for couples cruising while offering many of the amenities of home. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.